YouTube, what is up? I am back with another video. I know y'all haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back with another shoe review. As you can see, got the Jordan 4 Military Blacks. Got size 13. I'm gonna leave all the information of where I got them down below, but today we're gonna do a little review. Alright, they did send me them for free, but I am going to be completely honest. As you can see, got the shoes right here. They're exactly one to one. You cannot tell a difference at all. I already got them laced up though. I tried them on to make sure they fit, but just had to make sure everything was good. They fit perfectly, and they are completely one to one. You cannot really tell a difference at all. But I love these shoes. They have great shipping time as well from the place that I got them. I ordered them and got them within 4 days of getting them. So if you're looking for some shoes quick, I definitely recommend here. But as you can see, I'm just going over the shoe, got the bottoms, everything is exact. But yeah, if y'all are looking for some new shoes, definitely gotta hit this place up. I'm gonna leave all their information in the description. But yeah, y'all definitely gotta go check them out because all I have is Jordan 1s and Air Forces, so I wanted something new. But as you can see, the thing on the back pops right up. The toe box as well pops right back up as well. These are literally one to one exactly. There are no flaws at all. And I would be honest with you guys, if there was any flaws, I would tell you. But yeah, as you can see, super nice military black fours. Nothing really to complain about at all. As you can see, I got them loose laced right now. I think that's the only right way to wear a pair of Jordan 4s. But yeah, as you can see by the box and the tag on the box, they are exact. There's nothing really wrong with them. I'm not sure if they would pass a rep check or not because I'm not going to pay for that. But yeah, these shoes are great. You definitely got to go check them out. All of the info will be in the description, so go check them out. Also use code Sushi for $15 off if you guys want any shoes. They have plenty of shoes. And I mean plenty. If there's any shoe you could think of, I'm sure they have it. Very well priced as well. Again, use code sushi for $15 off. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, right? And go cop some new shoes. Use code sushi. I'll see y'all in the next one.